Greetings everyone, City Trains in New South Wales, I'll speak to you. Just like to show you this airport link brochure. This is actually one of the out-of-date ones when CityRail was still back in use back in 2012 and early 2013. So catch airport links, Sydney's airport trains. Luna Park is it there? And ferries. Yeah. So when you open it, you'll find this map here. Sees. There we go. Sydney's airport train. Domestic airport to and from, approximate travel times. Central Station, 10 minutes. Museum, 12 minutes. St James, 14. Circular Quay, 18. Wynyard, 20. Town Hall, platform number 22. 22 minutes. King's Cross, change at Central, 29. And North City is half an hour. And if you just come here, it's Tangara, there, and to Edgecliff, Bondi Junction, and Bondi Beach. And here is an M-set, and just there. And also up here is an M-set. So yeah, it's and also you've got a list of accommodations from here all the way to here, going in alphabetical order. The one I really like, or I'd really love to stay in, is the Four Seasons Hotel, just near Circular Quay. Well, just near, it's sort of near the the end of the inner western side, or the inner western bus interchange. And also backpackers. Just a bit of trivia for you. Apparently, situated on platform number 1, or near platform number 1 in Central Sydney Terminal, there's actually a wooden train carriage, which I believe is for youth hostels and backpackers. So that's actually interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna do this part. Platforms for city stations to airport station. Platform number 23, Central. Museum, platform 2. St James, 2. Circular Quay, 2. Wynyard, 6. Town Hall, 6. Now here we've got platforms at Central Station. Change at Central Station for these lines. Eastern Suburbs, platform number 24. Illawarra, platform number 25. Bankstown, 22. Inner West, 19. Airport New Steels, 23. South, 19. North Shore, 16. Western, 18. Northern by Macquarie Park, which is sponsored by the Macquarie Uni, is platform number 16. Northern via Strathfield, which is going up to Epping, that's platform 18. Carlingford is platform 18. You can take Western Line to Clyde and change, it is marked with an asterisk. Olympic Park, platform number 18 and 19, with 2 asterisks, meaning that take the South Line or Western Line train to Leakham and change. South Coast, platforms 4 to 15 and 25, with 2 pluses and off-peak hours only. Southern Highlands with 3 asterisks, or 4 to 15 off-peak hours only. In peak hours, customers can take Airport New Steels Line train to Campbelltown and change. Blue Mountains 4 to 15 and 18 is peak hours only. That is the Wild Springwood service, by the way. And also Newcastle Central Coast 4 to 15 and 16 peak hours only. Here is the train timetable of this thing. Nice indeed. The biggest surprise of them all, the old CityRail network codings. So here, got Eastern Suburbs and Illawarra line, Bankstown, Inner West, and it's purple. Cumberland Line, Airport in East Hills. The one under the airport East Hills is peak hours only, which means just here is going by Sydney. And we've got the South Line, and it's a blue. North Shore and Western, Northern Line, Carlingford Line, and yeah, includes South West Rail Link under construction, and I think that might be it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this tour up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the Jungle Plus favorite video. I'll see you all in the next tour. Bye for now.